Welcome. O2VEND is a trusted platform that helps you manage your online store, sales and inventory all in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your O2VEND store and get started quickly. Let's begin. Open your browser and visit O2VEND.com. Click Login and enter your email address. You'll receive a OTP in your inbox. Enter the OTP and you will be logging to your dashboard. Click Create your store. Now enter a few basic details: store name, store username, store password, store website URL. In this, O2VEND provides a default .myo2vend.com domain and you can add your own domain later. Industry type. Choose your business category. Next, subscription plan. Select a subscription plan on your requirements. Next, provide your business name, contact phone number and email. Then enter your store address including city, state and country. Click submit and your store will be created. Now click open your store to access your back office. Log in using the store username and password you just created. You can now explore your dashboard and add products and start managing sales across online and offline channels. After your store is created, you will be listed under My Store. From here, you can access your web store, back office, point of sale and sales agent app links anytime. Thank you for watching and welcome to O2VEND, your trusted partner for building and growing your online business.